the play already. William Perry saying, "What did I do?"
He's telling him, "Come on, if you want some action, come on out here. Step out here between the stripes." I think what they're saying is he kept going after the whistle blew.
55, defense, offside, 5 yards, first down.
I think Perry says if you want to talk, come on out to the party.
I think there were some angry words spoken over there.
Yeah, but he has the helmet and pads on. They don't. There's Otis Wilson offside.
1st and 5, that makes it. Epps in motion. Right to Davis. They just can't get much going running.
Yeah, I'll tell you, I think William Perry's another guy you don't want to fire up too much. You see him come flying through there, and when he gets that 300 and a bunch pound body flying in the air, guys are going to go down. Watch him. The center blocks back, guard and tackle pull. He gets in there behind him, and he starts that thing a-flying. Looks like a whirling dervish.
He may not look like he works at a health club, but he's quick.